All right, let's see. All right, hopefully you guys can hear me, but for some reason I'm having trouble turning off the sound on this Bloomberg News. So I have no idea why this won't go off, but whatever. Someone just sent me a text saying, talking about marijuana ETFs. All right, so let's start making a watch list here. It's my notepad. Um, CFD contracts, contracts for difference. I have no idea, to be honest. All right, let's start looking through some stuff here. Actually, hold on. Let me let me add the link. All right, so basically, when I go to make a watch list, I usually will just do it right on my trading platform. But you guys can't see the screens that I can see. So I'll do it the old-fashioned way and bring it up over here. All right. So we want to see what's moving, what has range, maybe what's getting hit hard. We are gonna want to make sure that these are. I guess we could leave it at both. Current volume. Actually, we'll leave it. All right, we're gonna go to technical. Let's see if we can find anything. Let's see, anything up 30% on the week. 12 stocks. Let's look at the charts. ADIL. I'm pretty sure I looked into this. They don't have any dilution yet. We could look into it. My TLRY position didn't get filled. Looks like it's going down a little bit. Alright, so then I take ADIL and now type it in here. This is not in effect. Alright, I'm pretty sure these guys are good on cash too yeah, they got 4 million, their cash burn. Uh, oh. So they they'll probably need an offering. When did this IPO'd recently, I think. Alright, let's keep looking. I know there's actually one stock I'm really interested in. No, I'm not in, these are ETFs. ETF, ETF. So those really don't interest me. ETF, catalog mail order from China, LITB. Just make sure that there's enough. This thing's up from 60 to 125. I guess we'll take a look at it. ITB. Do you guys have any stocks that you want to look into? It's on short sale restriction already. I'm not super interested in it then. Oh, MRIN. I'm pretty sure this has no dilution either. MIRN. Whoops. Already down 10% pre-market. This is the one I'm interested in. UXIN. So both of those are ETFs. MTLS. Man, I'm tired. I'm gonna go make a coffee. Alright. This company is trash. And this thing is up from $3 to 9. So this is up over 200% already. They have a lockup expiration coming December 24th, meaning, you know what, it's probably if they could shoot this thing up to 10, I will lay in short tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna start shorting tomorrow. Then we have Saturday, Sunday, Monday is the 24th. The problem with Monday, I'm gonna be out of town. Anyways, yeah, let's take a look at this. I've already looked into it a bit. Basically, go to the F1, and then you want to look up lockup. See, and 180 days. Then we're going to want to type in shares eligible. Command find shares. L. Oops. Computer's running awfully slow. Yeah, so these guys are going to be able to dump a nice amount of shares onto the market. So, um, and then let's just take a look at, let's just put a little valuation on this company. This computer's going ridiculously slow. Alright, UXIN. UXIN. So I'm going to dive into the financials and just look at it, see what's going on. All financial data. Alright. Quarter over quarter revenues. Wow. So there is a lot of quarter over quarter revenue growth. We are seeing revenue growth of 541 to 864. That's 60%. Cost of revenue. Why are these guys losing so much money? Operating, selling, general. Let's look at their UXIN. Oh, they don't have any. So what these guys do, they sell used cars via like e-commerce. So you guys know what's going on here. So they're pushing a lot of cars. All right, operating expenses. Okay, so sales and marketing expense went up. Jeez, I've yawned like 55 times. Percentage 87 quarter. General administration of expenses. All right, so that didn't really increase that much. It's still $40 million. Research and development increased by 70%. Revenues will be in the range of net loss. These guys are burning through a lot of cash. How much cash do they have? So 100 million cash, restricted cash, blah, 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 blah. Ugh. All right. I definitely want to short this. Don't die, InBev. I want to short you too. All right. Oh shit. You bastard. Why is this down 20%? So, Mankind is a company that I always watch because it's complete trash. $40 million equity offering. So, pull that over real quick. Basically, what this means is we can look at it, the price. Mankind prices. So, if you're an existing shareholder, this means that you're now getting diluted 26.7 million shares. That's a lot. Uh, each common share is being sold together with a warrant. So now they're gonna get $40 million, but if you're an owner, you know, you thought that you owned X percentage of the pie and now you own a lot less. Mankind is the biggest Ponzi scheme in Nasdaq history. Feeling bad for the people that have been scammed all these years. You, sir, cannot have said it any better, I agree. Is it Death Spiral? Yeah, Mankind is a joke. If you're long this stock, it's probably best that you're not, that you get out while you can. Let's take a look. It's such a joke. All they do is just they just burn through tons and tons of cash. Let's go back to the assets. Total liabilities 250 million compared to 45 million. They're gonna get smoked. Once the market starts to unwind a bit, these companies will really have no shot. They won't stay around for much longer. It's pretty crazy stuff, honestly. Alright, so far for the watch list, let's really start. I'm leaving all of the marijuana stocks. I'm trying to get short TLRY right under 81. This is irrelevant, irrelevant, irrelevant. Watching that because we saw that had a decent. This one could. Let's zoom out a bit. NBEV, no shares to short, but I could sell calls. We don't need this one. I don't know why this chart's not working. UXIN is definitely my main play. I'm going to be watching that one the closest. TLRY I'm going to be trying to add to. Let's take a look at what's moving pre-market. I haven't been a huge day one player as of late. um, LMFA, the stock, I feel like I always see this thing moving, but I never end up trading it. LMFA. This is likely a they're probably using this to sell into. So they had an offering back in October, went into effect. This thing has just gotten beat down. This thing was up to $5 and now it's trading at 130. Alright, so they had 2.3 million shares outstanding. Let's see what they had before this. So they had 600. So all NASDAQ stocks have to have 600,000 shares. I think that's the minimum amount of common shares outstanding that you can have. So here, let me show you on this screen. All right, so these guys had, where did it go? See, so they had 625,000 shares outstanding. And then if you pull up the 10Q, we can see, oh, this is not the right company. LMA, LMFA. They had 2.3 million shares. So they increased the share count significantly, which has probably been the driving force. As you increase supply and demand doesn't also increase, the price will decrease. Now, how much did they raise? Common stock offering, stock outstanding after this offering. 3.1, 3.5 if the underwriters want to exercise their stock. Weighted average price. Alright, so warrants at $2.40 a share. $2.64 a share. This is only trading at $1.33. $1.40. Yeah, so this thing would have to pop for me to really be interested in it. Maybe try some. I don't know. Let's see what kind of pop this thing can get. Alright, so we know it's trash. Year over year, revenues are decreasing. Burning through cash still. What else? What else? What else? Cash flow. Yeah, this is gonna get sold down pretty quickly. Even on big volume days, this gets sold into hard because this will probably ends up close to, I want to say this ends up close to 10 cents lower. It's not really worth it for me to play here, but would be watching. What else? If is anything else moving? RIOT is trash. I'm not even gonna look at it because I just know it's awful. TEUM. This one has convertible debt too. BIOC is absolute trash. So all these small caps are garbage. Ooh, we could just make a quick little one. Probably would have proved to be a decent entry. If it's gonna run though, then we'll get really good entries higher. Alright, so nothing really that appealing to me. LMFA I'll watch. Hopefully we can get this thing to pop higher. I would like to see it go to 2. Ideally before I start trying to touch it. Definitely want TLRY to pop up to 81. And then I just want to watch the market, see what the market does. If we are gonna have a down day, I would love to trade large caps. So kind of find what's weakest early, see if anything is popping on the large caps. We know TLRY, that's my main play. If the market's gonna fade, that will probably be a little bit weaker. Blackberry's up a bit. Let's add that to the watch list. BB. So marijuana's up, could easily roll red. If the market rolls red, marijuana should roll red as well. MU, AMD could also, everything has the potential to roll red. Let's add BB. Tesla, I'll be watching. This looks weak early. The market could really take a hit if we look at it. At 250 level. If that breaks 240s, 230s maybe. This could get fun. Look at this. Oh, Tesla's gonna burn. All right, so I'm about to end the stream here because I'm about to go get ready for the day. I need to go make a coffee. I'm tired. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'm out of here. Thanks for tuning in. Peace.